Since I'm going to present to you my vision board, first of all, I think let's all of us stand up so that we all can cheer all those people who tried, attempted, and did something wonderful today. So let's start clapping for all of them. And you all can stand up, please. I would request you to stand up so that we all can feel that energy. And yes, as you can see, my vision board is next to me. Thank you so much. Thank you, Karthik. Thank you, HK Chauhan sir. Thank you, Commander Vijay sir, and all friends. Thank you for inviting me today and helping me to present my vision board. Okay, so I will start with the inside out view for my vision board. As you can see here, you can see the central part, which represents the sun. And sun is something which is at the center of the universe. The same way this is at the center of our own being, which is our soul. So sun, and which represents my spiritual goal, my spiritual upliftment. And from the center, I would like to spread my wings. So I would continuously would like to, just a minute, give me a moment, my battery is low. Sorry for that disturbance. Okay, so from the center, how I would like to expand myself. So let's start with the personal goals first. So here is my dream home, sweet home. And here again, I would like to see you from the inside out view. So here is the bedroom and the inner architecture interior, which will lead to, and of course, this is the outside view. And here we go. As we go, here is the farmhouse, which I would like to own by 2022. And this definitely, along with this farmhouse, I would like to bring in the aspect of waste management at the source. So I would love to work at the source level, managing the waste. This is one of my dreams, where managing the source and converting this waste into energy is one of the dreams that I would like to achieve. Now, expanding fully further, I would like to have one part of my farmhouse as a part of a forest. So I would want to do a afforestation project whereby at least 1/4 part of my farm should be converted completely into a forest. Not about the food forest, but actually, naturally growing forest. So this entire down portion that you can see, it represents the forest that I would like to grow. And now coming to that, yes, for all these things, I really would love to have a healthy body and healthy mind. So my goal for my fitness is about doing regular yoga abhyas, regularly walking, and along with that, have abundance in my relationship. So which brings me to this part of the opposite part, whereby I would love to be with my family and enjoy every moment with my family. And yes, I would like to gift certain things to my families, and these are the gifts that I would like to give them. And of course, as an individual, and along with that, for the entire family, I would like to hold this car and continuous flow of income. And yes, income would be around minimum of 10 lakh per month, which would be the end goal for, which would be the goal for my 2021. And along with that, the development of the skills is one part that I would really love to do. And for that, I would continuously be practicing dhyan, of course, meditation. And along with that, developing my skills in marketing, in sales, also team building and managing the business, managing the entire team. And along with that, having a balance of my work and my life. Along with that, I am also writing a book, so would like to complete my book by the end of 2021. Also, I would like to complete my PhD by the end of 2021. I would also love to do the regular study of the scriptures, so Shastras and Agamas, and which will also enrich me from within, so that, of course, as and when I help people, I embrace people, I would do that with love. And I love traveling. So of course, travel has to be there. So here is my travel goal. And for travel, India is my favorite country, but of course, I would like to go to Europe and European countries. And along with that, my favorite thing is going backpacking, trekking. So here are the Himalayas, which I would like to go and trek at least once a year for minimum of 7 days. So this is something that is, that I would like to continue for lifetime. So if I just talk about it, one more, I mean, in a different perspective, I have tried to balance the elements in this entire vision board where fire is there, water is there, where soil, and yes, because the trees are there, so they are producing air. And of course, as you can see the space. So same balance of elements has to be there in my body also. And yes, I want to be known as a world teacher. So this is how is my vision board. And thank you so much for listening to me. And thank you so much.